Good Wednesday, everyone. I hope your week is going well, and if you're making weekend plans, well, let's talk about that here in just a second. But first, let's look at our daily weather map. We see lots of weather going on across Florida today. It is not the sunshine state today, that is for sure, as a strengthening tropical storm begins approaching that peninsula. We'll be bringing heavy rain, gusty winds, a threat of tornadoes, storm surge, the whole 9 yards. So they're in for a rough day. They're in for a rough 48 hours or so. But if you look farther to the northwest, is the season. We have our first major winter storm of the season. You can definitely tell there's a change of seasons going on when you got a tropical storm on one end of the screen and you got heavy snow on the other end. And that snow will be accumulating across portions of Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota. They've even got freezing rain being thrown into the mix. Just a big, wild winter storm moving into that part of the country, that is for sure. And looking at our 5-day outlook, that winter storm comes to our neck of the woods in the form of raindrops by Thursday night and Friday. That strong cold front will combine with Nicole to give us a pretty darn good chance of rain. This is the best chance of rain we've had in a long time. But we don't have to worry about that today. Today's sunshine and 70 degrees, and Thursday increasing clouds, highs in the upper 60s, and then those increasing clouds thicken up enough to drop raindrops Thursday night. And by Friday morning, we are seeing a very wet commute to work. So 90% chances of rain. Looks like we could get at least an inch of rain across the plateau, and some of you all will see more. Clouds decrease Friday night as we drop down to 33 degrees, so what a plunge. And then Saturday, barely getting in the low 40s it looks like, and then overnight lows around 20 both Saturday and Sunday night. Sunday we may not even get out of the 30s for some of us. This is the only thing that kind of concerns me. We've got to watch the track of Nicole because her moisture will interact with our strong cold front. Notice that gradient across the state of Tennessee. Memphis gets nothing. And then the Tri-Cities gets quite a bit. They get like 2 or 3 inches of rain. So we're right there, like in that middle zone. If Tropical Storm Nicole shifts to the east at all, then we'll be in those lighter rainfall amounts. If she shifts to the west a little bit more, then we'll be in some heavier rainfall totals. But all indications have been for at least the last day or two that our forecasts that our rainfall totals are trending upward for Friday. So that's good. So let's hope that those keep trending upward, and that we can get some beneficial rainfall. We're about a little over 4 inches below normal on rainfall now, so we can use every drop we can get. Now look at our daily weather hazards. Today there's a wildfire danger. We've got low humidity. There's going to be a bit of a breeze. Just be careful if you're outdoor burning, which is discouraged. But just be very, very careful. Tomorrow, I think the humidity will be increasing as we go through the day, or at least it looks like it's going to be increasing throughout the day, and so that's going to help diminish that wildfire danger. And then, of course, on Friday, look at that. I haven't had to tell you all to be careful on wet roads in a while. But be careful on wet roads on Friday, especially Friday morning. Don't be hydroplaning on that water that you're not used to driving in. And then Saturday and Sunday, the hazards are cold weather. Make sure those pipes are protected, the people around you are warm, and your pets, especially the outdoor fur babies. Make sure they've got a warm, dry bed. Remember, we've got all that rain coming Thursday night and Friday. Make sure the pets have a warm, dry bed. And this is the temperature outlook. This is from the middle of November on through about the 18th or so. So much below normal temperatures coming. So we're talking about rainfall. We're talking about really cold temperatures. So we're getting things thrown at us that we've not had thrown at us in a while. So just be prepared. Right now, no wintry weather, in the forecast. But stay tuned. Next week we got maybe a couple of chances of some more snowflakes flying a little bit. So I'll keep you posted on that as we get closer to that time, especially on our Friday update that I bring you. So if there's anything that comes up that you need to know about between now and Friday, I'll interrupt on Thursday to give you an update on what's going on with Nicole and the rainfall that's coming in. So stay tuned for that. And other than that, you folks have a wonderful day. Keep looking up for even more weather information. Just keep reading along in that blog, meteorologistmark.com.